Hello everyone, my name is Neha and I am studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, Valachil, Mangalore, and I am from branch of Computer Science and Engineering. I am studying in first year. I am going to tell you about the topic Smart Shop Band. Introduction. This is the band which helps for shopping. It has a navigator which helps to navigate shops in big malls, and it is lightweight, which can be worn on the breast, and we can get the shopping list. But we have to insert the shopping list. We can compare the product prices through online. Totally, it is the band which is used for shopping. Then this key features sensor and data collection. It has various sensors such as GPS, heart rate sensor, and this sensor collects data on movement, heart rate, connectivity. It can communicate with shopping app installed on your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. User interface. It could feature a small display or touchscreen interface to show shopping list, product information, power source. It would have a rechargeable battery to power its component. Materials used wristband strap made up of silicone, rubber, or fabric. Smart shop bands watch display. Then this would be made up of OLED or LED processor and memory, microcontroller or processor chip with sufficient power, sensor, GPS for navigation, motion sensor for gesture control, barcode scanner or camera for product recognition, and an optical heart sensor for fitness tracking, wireless connectivity, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi model for connecting to smartphones, then battery, a rechargeable battery with enough capacity, then microphone and speaker, the voice control and receives audio notification, operating system or firmware to manage the device functionality and interact with the user interface component, button, touch sensitive areas, charging mechanism, a charging port or wireless charging capability. Then waterproofing to make it durable and suitable for everyday use. Design and aesthetic, the overall design aesthetic is very comfortable. Then software and AI integration, the software to power the AI algorithms. And this is the model of smart shop band. Then it has a display through where it displays the shopping list and the prices of the product, and it has a microphone where you can communicate with it, and it has buttons where you can operate the system. Then it has a strap which you can wear on your wrist. Then wear on your wrist. Then finally, this is the model. Thank you.